Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the top 5 best drones on Amazon for 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first drone or a hobbyist who wants pro-level features without breaking the bank, these drones are lightweight, foldable, and packed with advanced technology like 4K cameras, GPS tracking, and long flight times. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Potensic Adams 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone. Camera, 4K 30fps video, 12MP photos. Weight, under 249 grams. Flight time, 32 minutes. Range, 6 km transmission. Features, 3-axis gimbal, GPS, visual tracking, quick shots, foldable design. The Potensic Atom with a 3-axis gimbal is designed for stable aerial shots. The gimbal reduces shakiness and ensures buttery smooth video. With 6 km transmission range, you can fly farther while still maintaining a strong connection. Quick shots make it easy for beginners to capture cinematic shots with just one tap. Pros: smooth 4K video with gimbal, lightweight under 249 grams, long-range transmission, great for beginners. Cons: flight time is shorter than some competitors. Best in calm weather for stability. This drone is perfect for those who want professional-level camera stability in a beginner-friendly package. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE GPS drone. Camera, 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization. Weight, under 249 grams. Flight time, 62 minutes on 2 batteries. Range, 4 km FPV transmission. Features: brushless motor, GPS, auto return, foldable, max speed 16 meters per second. The Atom SE focuses on longer flight time. With up to 62 minutes on 2 batteries, it outlasts most competitors in this price range. The EIS stabilization isn't as strong as a gimbal, but still reduces shakiness for smooth footage. Add in GPS return to home and foldable design, and it's a reliable, travel-friendly drone. Pros: long 62-minute flight time, lightweight, strong brushless motor, beginner-friendly GPS return. Cons: EIS isn't as smooth as a 3-axis gimbal, range is slightly shorter. If your priority is extended flight time for practice and exploration, this is a great pick. Number 3. G11 Mini Drone with 4K camera. Camera, 4K 25fps or 2.7K 50fps. Weight, under 249 grams. Flight time, 60 minutes. Features: GPS, auto return, 5 GHz transmission, brushless motor. The G11 Mini is a solid balance between performance and affordability. Its camera can record in 4K at 25 fps or switch to 2.7K at 50 fps for smoother motion. With 60 minutes of total flight time, it competes with higher-end models. The brushless motors add durability and efficiency, while GPS ensures stable hovering and safe return. Pros: flexible video recording options, long 60-minute flight, lightweight design, beginner-friendly GPS features. Cons: no advanced gimbal footage stabilization. Could be better. Image quality is good, but not pro-grade. This drone is ideal for beginners who want a versatile camera without spending too much. Number 4. GPS drone with 4K camera and LCD screen. Camera, 4K resolution. Flight time, up to 90 minutes. Features: GPS, auto return, follow me, circle fly, LCD tablet screen controller, foldable design, brushless motor. This drone stands out for its 90 minutes of flight time, which is almost unheard of at this price. It comes with an LCD tablet screen built into the controller, so you don't have to rely on your phone for FPV flight. Features like Follow Me mode and Circle Fly make it easy to get creative cinematic shots even if you're a beginner. Pros: 90-minute flight time, built-in LCD screen controller, GPS with smart modes, foldable and portable. Cons: bulkier setup with the LCD controller, not as compact as other mini drones. If you want the longest possible flight time and smart shooting features, this is the drone to beat. Number 5. Potensic Atom LT GPS Drone Expansion Kit. Camera, 2.5K with EIS stabilization. Weight, under 249 grams. Flight time, 80 minutes on 2 batteries. Range 4 km FPV transmission. Features surge fly system, brushless motor, GPS, auto return, foldable design. The Potensic Atom LT is designed as an entry-level drone with extra value. It comes with an expansion kit offering accessories and 2 batteries for up to 80 minutes of flight time. While the camera is 2.5K instead of full 4K, EIS still provides stable footage for beginners. Add-in GPS flight system helps new pilots control the drone more easily. Pros: great 80-minute flight time, expansion kit adds value, lightweight and foldable, beginner-friendly. Cons: camera isn't full 4K, stabilization is limited compared to higher models. This is the best option if you're starting out and want a budget-friendly long flight package. So there you have it, the top 5 best drones on Amazon 2025. If you want smooth, professional-level footage, the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal is the best choice. For longest flight time, check out the 90-minute GPS drone with LCD screen. The Potensic Atom SE gives you excellent flight time with reliable GPS features. The G11 Mini is a great budget option with flexible video recording options, and for value with accessories and long flight time, the Potensic Atom LT is a winner. Which one would you pick for your next adventure? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech and gadget reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.